Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video we're going to be making turkey wings. Okay, this is my version of making turkey wings. I bought these turkey wings today at my local supermarket and they were only maybe $6 for these pieces. So maybe 1, 2, 3 pieces. Yeah, there we go. Maybe 5 pieces in there, but the wing and the leg, I guess, and or just the wing itself, just split in two. Okay, so we're going to be making turkey wings. We're going to be using Cool Runnings all-purpose seasoning. We're going to be putting some browning on it as well, and black pepper and crushed red pepper. And I'm going to also be using some onion, scallion, and some garlic as well to season it nicely. Okay, so I'm going to wash up my turkey wings and then we're going to come right back. Okay, my friends, my turkey wings has been washed. I wash it with some vinegar, and you can also wash it with some lemon juice as well. Okay, all right, so let's cut up our onion and get it all done. Now the turkey wings, my friends, as I said, I bought it today. Now with quarantine still happening, we were advised not to have big gatherings, so really and truly no one is coming over for dinner. And now instead of buying those really big turkey, because there's no small turkeys at the supermarket at all, these are huge turkeys, and if you're not having company over, it doesn't really make sense to buy those big turkeys, right? So instead I just bought some turkey wings because I like the turkey wings anyways, right? Because even when we make the big turkey, I usually go after the wings. So I just thought, let me roast some turkey wings this year instead of buying a big turkey, right? So my scallion, garlic, onion was washed, and so I'm cutting these up, and then we're gonna add them to our turkey wings. And I like to season up my turkey wings, guys, and leave it for a while to sort of soak in all that wonderful seasoning, right? So okay, so I add my seasoning in onto my turkey wings, as you can see. So I'm going to put some all-purpose seasoning on my turkey wings. I'm going to put some crushed red peppers on. I mean, all these seasoning that I use, guys, some black pepper. You can add lots more seasonings to this if you want to, guys, but these are my staple seasoning. This is browning, just for a little bit of color and a little bit of flavor as well. Okay, so with clean hands, my friends, I'm going to rub in all the seasoning onto the turkey. Yeah, so the four main seasoning that I use is usually seasoned salt, black pepper, and chili peppers or crushed red peppers, and that's my main go-to season for everything. So if you have those in the cupboard, guys, it should give you a nice tasting meal. Okay, so here's my turkey wings, all nicely seasoned. I'm going to put this in the fridge overnight because I'm not making it right now, but you don't have to do this. Once you season it up, you can just put it directly into the oven covered on 350 for about 2 hours or so. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the fridge to soak up some of the juice overnight, and then when we're ready to cook this, then I'll show you the next step. Okay. Okay, my friends, we're ready for the turkey wings to go into the oven. Remember, we're making roast turkey wings. I have a baking dish here. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil at the bottom of the baking dish, my friends. And then I'm going to place my seasoned turkey wings on top of the oil like this, okay? All the way around. Make sure there's enough room in the dish so that they're not overlapping on each other too much, okay? Make sure all that goodness, all that wonderful seasoning goes into the pan as well, okay? All right, so let's spread this out a little bit. Oh, that already smells so good with all that wonderful seasoning on it. And here it is, all ready to go into the oven. I'm going to place this on 350 degrees oven and for about 2 hours. After about an hour, I'm going to check on it. I'm going to put a foil paper lid on this, cover it up. So here we go, my friends. Nicely wrapped. Place it in the oven at 350 for at least 2 hours or so, okay? And we're going to have a nice roast turkey dinner, okay? So when this is ready, we'll check it after about an hour and a half. When this is ready, then we'll come back, okay? Okay, here it is, my friends. Our roasted turkey wings are all done. This is after an hour and 50 minutes, my friends. Then you take it out of the oven. Now the flat piece were already cooked. I had to just wait for the leg parts to cook, and of course the fork pierced through, and everything is done. So look at all that yumminess, all that deliciousness. I'm going to plate this, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like on the plate, okay? Just stay tuned. Here we are, my friends, all plated. This is my turkey, my roasted turkey wings. And I've paired it with some mashed potatoes and some kale salad. That's what it looks like. So go out, try the turkey wings instead of big turkey this Thanksgiving. And yeah, just let me know. Thank you for watching, my friends. Don't forget, not everyone that wanders is lost, and always strive for something better.